Hi, this is me, Anu Malik, and I am recording at NZ Studios for my film Begum Jaan, Vishesh film, Mukesh Bhatt, Mahesh Bhatt. And it's been a beautiful experience because NZ's ambience is beautiful. I mean, a lot of great performers, singers have come here and spoken about NZ Studios, I'm sure. And what I particularly love is the fact that you are in a studio which more or less for me seems like an extension of your drawing room. You know, when I say that, what happens is when the lift opens and you come in, it's almost made like a little beautiful hall, and you suddenly come in and find this lovely music playing, which is soft, and it calms you down. And you're actually ready to record your song. You come and sit in the room which I'm sitting. You plan your recording. If you want to change a certain piece, you can do that in the quietness of the studio. There are 2-3 other studios where you can sit down quietly on your laptop, or sit down on the synthesizer. And the beauty of this place is it's not just a studio. It's more or less to make an artist feel so comfortable that when you get out, you feel that you recorded something beautiful. And I think that speaks a lot about a studio. There are some great studios we have here. I particularly love YRF Studios very, very much. And I thought it won't get better than that. But with YRF, when I record, I've got this feeling of being at home. And now when I come to NZ, I also feel the same thing. I think Nischal should be complimented. Nischal, who's gone out of his way to make the studio the way it is. And so is the staff here. You have Jiten, you have Pranav, you have Mr. Mishra, you even have Sudesh, who's giving you the best coffee in the world. So when you're down and out and you're suddenly depressed, when things are not going your way, suddenly you ask, hey guy, please can you get me a good coffee? And Sudesh with a smiling face comes and gives you coffee. And there's so much happening with my recorder Julian, who I kept his name last, because Julian really works his heart out to ensure that you get the best possible sound. So all in all, for me, for my singers, even my singers who are rattled because they may be coming from some other recording studios, and suddenly they come in here and they first just calm down. You can explain the song to them in a beautiful atmosphere, and they understand where I'm coming from or where the composer is coming from. And I've noticed that they have this beautiful, idea of coming out when you're recording a song. They come out and just keep on, shooting your pictures, and either they paste it here and there. And there's this lovely screen outside, which keeps on, if you sit down and you keep on finding out there's so many talented singers and composers have come here and worked here. So it speaks a lot about NZ Studios, speaks a lot about Nischal, speaks a lot about how and what a person is. Nischal seems to be quite passionate about his music, and that's the reason why he's given us such a beautiful studio to work in. And I don't want to speak much about myself because Mr. Mishra was saying, please speak about how many years you've been in the line. Instead of saying how many years I've been in the line, I would say how many years more I want to be in the line. And Dam Laga Ke Haisha has been my major film that has made me, again, have the urge to work with 3 national awards in my kitty. It's a great feeling, and hope to work more. And this is now Begum Jaan, which I'm really putting my jaan into it. So nice talking to you guys, and NZ, keep up the hard work. And don't let your standards fall down ever. We expect the world from you. You made such huge standards now. Take it higher, and all the best.